Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. If you're under 500 subscribers, build your homepage to be family friendly and subscriber friendly. That is so important. Most people, when they land on your channel page, let's say, for example, they watch a video first. They'll watch a video, and if they're interested in what they see on that, they might say, let me go check out the homepage. Let me go check out the homepage, see what's going on the homepage. When they land on your homepage, you want them to be able to know that they're in the right place. As a matter of fact, you want them to be able to at least know what they're gonna get from your content. Here's my homepage. If someone lands on my homepage, they know that they're gonna get personal empowerment through music and motivation. Even something just as simple as that can be a powerful tool, making your homepage family friendly and subscriber friendly. That is so important when it comes to building your subscriber base. And another thing to keep in mind, I want to mention this. Maybe you're starting out and you may not be there yet. Like I said, if you're under 500 subscribers, you can do that. And you don't have to be an expert. I used to think that I had to know all the answers. No, you really don't have to know everything. You just need to be one step farther than the last person. So keep that in mind as you begin to continue to build your subscriber base. You want to make sure your homepage is subscriber friendly. So if people land on your page, they have a few things. You could do it by building playlists. I do it by building certain playlists that I have. Also, there's something called a featured video. Check this out. When people land on your page, they used to call it a trailer. But nowadays, you really don't need a trailer. What you need is a featured video. When someone goes to your homepage, there'll be a featured video right there. You could use one that has accumulated views, or in this case, go back to your analytics, see some of your videos that has brought in some subscribers, right? Brought in a lot of subscribers. Use that as your featured video right there on your home page. And what I found out is that most people, if they make their channels subscriber friendly, home friendly on the home page, when people watch your video, they go to see what's going on, they'll be more likely to subscribe to your channel if they see what you're all about. And you can always do that on the home page. And by the way, if this is your first time here or you've been here before and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Let's stay inspired and empowered together. Love to have you here as a part of Next Level. I always say you're never too old to follow your dreams, and you're never too late to do the right thing. So a lot of people wonder, is it too late? Is it oversaturated? I want you to enjoy this video right here coming up on the screen. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. Check that out. Enjoy that. Thanks again to my subscribers and returning viewers. You are the life of the channel. Hit the like button. Share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed. Stay positive. Never give up whatever you do. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.